Welcome to episode 2593 of the Daily Meditation Podcast. I'm Mary Meckley, and I welcome you to a brand new series we're exploring this week. This week, it's all about boosting your confidence. It's not only about boosting your confidence and how you feel about yourself, it's also helping you to feel more confident about others and about what's happening in the world around you. There is a lot happening these days, and one thing that's certain is there is a lot of uncertainty, and you may find yourself feeling less sure of yourself. You may find that you don't feel as stable or certain about the future. You may feel as though there's so much beyond your control that you feel insecure. This is a week to restore your sense of confidence in yourself and the world around you. In today's episode, you'll begin by reflecting on what confidence really means to you. There's a lot of research that shows that most people want just 10% more. And this is interesting because it had to do with people across a broad spectrum of society, people who had a lot of wealth, as well as people who didn't have much, who lived more simply. It also had to do with emotional states, having 10% more peace, being able to have 10% more energy throughout the day, or 10% more strength and endurance in fitness, for example. Imagine what your life would be like if you had 10% more of anything. How would that change your days? How would that change your happiness and your confidence? Would you feel more stable? As with each week's new theme, you also have a challenge to go right along with the series. This is where every day throughout the week, you focus on one particular thing. You go on a quest. Your quest this week is to trust yourself, to trust the process, and to trust yourself. So when you feel your hope begin to wane, when you're not feeling as confident or stable, reflect on your inner wisdom. Take some time to sit in stillness and begin to listen to your inner wisdom. This is a beautiful way to begin to trust yourself. Wherever you find yourself now, I invite you to settle yourself down for a little inner stillness. Sit up straight, make yourself comfortable. This is your time. It could be one of the most important things you do all day long. As you sit up straight, this will help to keep your mind focused and alert with a straight spine. Close your eyes gently, and as you close your eyes, see what it feels like to elevate them ever so slightly upwards. This little shift, this movement of your eyes upwards, helps to uplift your mood. Do you feel that little shift? Sometimes it's the little things that make a huge impact. Begin to notice the rhythm and flow of your breath. Notice each inhale through your nose, oxygenating your body. And notice each exhale, cleansing toxins, releasing tension. Beautiful. Enjoy these moments. Anytime your mind begins to wander when you meditate, return it to the rhythm and flow of your breath to refocus your thoughts. Now reflect on what confidence means to you. What would help you to feel more confident? How would you rate yourself on a confidence scale? What would 10% more confidence mean to you? And what part of your life could benefit from more confidence? Your productivity or your relationships, maybe your health and wellness. Choose a focus this week. Reflect on what you'd like to focus on all week long to improve your confidence in a particular part of your life. Allow yourself to sit in this beautiful stillness you're creating for yourself right now. You are so worth slowing down for.